Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Taski Swingo 1850 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, you need to replace your pads or your brushes. Super simple. Take your foot, put it on the pedal, push down. Now we can pull it out just like this, flip it around. We can replace the pad at that time, or if you need to replace the whole thing, go ahead and replace the whole thing. Put the new pad back on, slide it back underneath the machine. Push up, just like that. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.